Hey, my name's Zach, and I wanted to show you how to put multiple pictures in Windows Paint. Now it's a really easy process, and this is a good way to blend two images together. So, over here, what I'm going to do is go into my Pictures folder, which I already have open. And I'm going to right-click this image, and I'm going to say Open With, and go to Paint. Now that it's in Paint, I'm going to zoom out because it is a larger image. I'll go a little bit more in than that. Okay. So now you got to select the image you want to paste in here. So what I would do is go and select whatever image you like. I like this lion, so I'm going to right click, go to copy, and now I'm going to go into WordPad. All I have to do is hit Control V, and the lion is there. I'll select it just by clicking, hit Control C to copy, minus it, go back to Paint, hit Control V, and I have multiple pictures in Paint. Now the reason that I had to go into WordPad first is if you just right-click the image and hit copy, it's not going to work. But once I put it into WordPad, it actually recognized the copy and was able to paste into Paint. My name's Zach, and I hope this helped. Thanks for watching.